keyboard and guitar, and to a chill song from NALIYA and BLACKBEAR called Pangaea. Okay, so we have these 4 chords that goes round and round. We have these notes we want to emphasize. We'll come to that. First, capo on the 4th fret. So capo on 4. Let's go over the chords now. So we have C, that is 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. Then we have the A sus2. So that is open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, open B, and open E. Next, the E minor. That is open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, and open E. And finally, the G. So that is 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. Okay, so you can play this in 2 different ways. We have one way, it's just a strumming pattern, you can say, and the right way and the way I will choose to go for will be with some notes included here. So we will look at the strumming pattern. It will be easier to start that way, just the plain how to deal with the chords and the strumming. So one strumming round will be down, down, clap, up, down, up. So C will be the first chord, down, down, clap, up, down, up. That is one round. So down, down, clap, up, down, up. We'll do one strumming round per chord, and the chord progression will be C, A sus, E minor, and G, in the same way we went through the chords. So with the chord progression, it will sound like this. Yeah, so that is the first way of playing, pretty simple. Now the second way, which I prefer, is to do 2 notes that I want to emphasize, 2 or 3 notes in the beginning of each strumming round, so in the beginning of each chord. So for C, you're gonna do the 2 downs here, but you want to emphasize on the first down the open E string, and on the second down the 3rd B string. And then you just continue with the strumming here, so a clap after that, and up, down, up. So for C, it will be like this. So the melody will be, but you do it with short downstrokes, so that. Then you go over to the A sus chord. Here you want to emphasize the open B string on the first down and the 2nd G string on the second down. So it'll be like this. And for E minor, here you want to play like this. So it will be on the G string here. You're going to play like open G, and then you hammer on the 2nd G and pull off the 2nd G. So it will be on the first down, you do the first 2 notes, the open G, and you hammer on the 2nd G, and on the second down you play the open G and continue, clap, up, down, up. So slowly like this. Hard to hear now with the hammer-on technique there. It should be more fluent and in more standard tempo, but like this. Alright. And the same notes goes for the G chord. Now you cannot hold the G as it is, the full chord, so you need to recuperate your fingers a little bit like this. So I'm using my middle finger for the 2nd fret A string and my ring finger for the 3rd fret E string here to get the bass. And I'm using the notes here with my index finger. So, like this. So 1 round sound of it will sound like this. And that is what's going on for this song, Pangaea, through the entire song. You'll play in the same way. So good luck with this one, guys. Play tuned.